again. Mentally, you're moving. Almost there, I'm in feet. One pause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey. The journey. The journey.
The journey. Yama Kwaba ever season 6 so ewo the journey wo Adum TV. Na ye damo te se abribia motnas na mochepre ehwejumadie. Ansa na ye best start jumadie. Yemfa seda ema aboa form aso yase na watchibia. Yetimi the journey bro ewo Adum TV so. A time herbal mixture or si malaria dear where you are time afi give us clean care for and a lip tomato paste for na soya sin na yedi jumadi bro baby bia o afi Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic for say obema se wuntime nwo oba wuntime nwo ulibido wo form na se stroke na bibi na ya wo dia bra Greenfield ho omuso omohwe kase mu yade bia okwa omobehwe o ama bibia aye kama afi omo de capsule won waso bi abedwa so a ye frene soldier capsules na soldier capsules there osi oba woni atinka kotobi bibia ebeye kama obema wontimi mmo adwuma so okotobia bibia ebeye kama omosan wo soldier garlic plus a edimu dwuma pa ema bibia eye kama it Greenfield for say se wope bi na okọ pharmacy ana bibia obenya bi ato ene enkomotwetwe na ye ne panyin pa owo yesi ye kase yesi ni twa entertainment industry and the creative arts industry dia wontimi enyino enfrem ye ne ye papa Twumasi ena etwetwe nkomo ewo Kumasi ewo season 6 so papa akwaba ya mo akwaba eba the journey so ene ye baba twetwe nkomo na ye hu creative arts no crown what it stands for any movie industry no said ya eko say ewo oman mu enkofo bebre ekeka say movie industry ego obeka den afa
I will not agree with them.
Okay.
And then they say challenges are bound to come.
Yeah.
But the only thing is you have to find a solution to it and then you move on. Until say and then know if we are facing problems. It doesn't mean say a week because Nipanya is in it.
Okay.
And if people are watching movies, that means maybe we are not doing
the right thing
for them. Until what we have to do is to go back on the drawing board, make sure
you put things together.
Put things right.
Right now. Atimi akoso. Yewo Actors Guild. And then person me who Actors Guild omo ejumadi ekura ne sen ewo creative arts industry.
As I sit here, I'm in doubt what they are supposed to do because me never bebre or wha me feel say as an association no they could have done it but they are not doing it because sinana nkasa nya dia oh sorry I know akutwese for shooting sake.
Yeah.
It's a pay national agenda, what the people want, what the people are advocating for. Then you do movies that will rather either trigger or help in a cause.
In a cause.
But since they were, I said, now before say, ever could form her cray, now be a sorry or story, just like that. No wonder it went down. But I think it says we are learning our lessons. Say, we know how to go about it.
So say we share the way the industry ni kona nkofo bebre na eye movies are eye premiere. Before na ekokora na people don't even go to cinemas. Who ni say cinemas in the door so ewo Ghana na every region bia ewo at least 2 or even 1 cry. Ebesan aboama producers enyo music back.
Of course. To say no the problem pa this in Ejuma call from marketing. Because VCD no drew baby no na say no sa format no etwem and I say etwem na yenya ho hwe. Yenya nipa bia mananta say hu say at a point in time no VCD no and I said DVD and whatever format no ebetwem akọ online but the call online now a person move to online no and also acquire den because the app now obe developer obetimi anyina betimi anya access to movies no and no it demand capital intensive and na sikanso se na den say betimi raise money into here na me feel say politicians na omo actors and actresses betimi advocate for that thing, but
for government say bebem
but they always go for their pocket.
Obia Abena no I will say and investors. Do you think say ye bibia a betri investor be akofa ne sika titiri so the be hyesim? An entertainment industry no.
Said the maker no. We are not doing things to attract people. Even banks cry na almost sorry omo ye they say come for loans no. We said that Kosel Kojis now they wouldn't mind you because they don't look at the movie industry.
Is it that now it's not attractive anymore?
I should say, because if it is attractive, definitely somebody will be interested to put the money in.
Yeah.
Oh, but it's saying, I quite say so. The Niska turning home.
Juma for Obenya.
Kofaniema bar. Overturning now. Of he say the turnover now will be much more bigger than. So be investing in movies.
Moye mpenyu for me mpenyu for more associations near there. What step and I'm what take is mo be revive the industry. Both financial and everything.
I would have wished say those in power no listen. Time and Sana James Abwaje ne members executive members ne bebano. I talked to them. Say at least we need a council of elders in charge.
Yeah.
Let's just say at least counter whatever opposition is there. But I don't know some refuge because
they are not doing what
they are not doing what they suspected. First thing is to make sure say you get a marketing avenue at least who we senior which I think is the best because up and say yeah you must see Anna say yeah, say Obia subscriber. Now Utua even 5 cities a month, 5 cities a month. You bet me, say your resources are you bet me I can't boom at me 1 million subscribers.
Yeah.
Because say
way they are to Obia what the fans yeah.
The way Kakakra, way Kakakra, why you say Kakakra near Kakaboma. You bet me I raise 1 million people. And to just look at 1 million people paying 5 cedis a month. That is 5 million cedis.
Wow.
How many producers in the world? Until we are for season in to work again.
Yeah.
Ma Obia baby our subscribe we are only access to.
So it's no share.
No share. If you bet me more than 10 crab bet me about out in a month.
In a month, yeah.
But you bet me a producers in the country or more, even one more. And said that you may be for the month in the crown at least. And think I'll be a benyabi. Your chairman will be a nyabi. Now, I feel one more my yes in no. Now, depending on the number of views near the then we can also pay them. So
yes,
that
or with the views you've gotten, just like with that, YouTube. Every
producer will eat. Movie industry employ a lot of people.
Yeah.
A lot of people. To me, a bit to me a brave, but I don't know why.
Because recently we had the 1 million, whatever, the companies that the government is supporting. As you said, no, more employ a lot of people. Into Kasa sector, no, ka government eshemamo. Nanka $1 million here cocoa companies be bamo.
Most differently.
And I think more employ a lot of youth.
I started from the top. Camera manager. I mean, crew no, music, artists, marketers,
yeah.
And then I be a call down to the retailer.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, and you know, I don't know. We are not doing things right.
Recently, yet it is say Sikebi woha government deba. I was a senka. Oh, ye actress and actor na say crew nkwa dia. I was say winya bi na wudi. Asok. Any other things. I feel acquired to say some few people be paid. And a sikano echo. Why?
Asok is being fair. Omocha say Omocha according to the number of movies are why? Until a frost road 30, then they cut it off.
They can you can't add it again.
And now and also him I think it's fair. Until 1 year cinema obia why is Nibako and obia why over 100 movies but the same kind of thing. Until now if we say I mean, it go back to them. We are not doing right.
And most actors are complaining, say, even when more makofa form recently now, they akko say more per se, more joining. As they say, they don't want to add you up, but government to see the scanner every year.
Scanner, but first no na duties on
okay
nema CDs ne
CDs omo
machines
okay
let's say we compensate those for say your pirate to nemanti your more kakra to add to your capital now what me your more
okay
and as I say Susani man is no more use kana na say a first no
eswati okay
and nipa no so doors intina first na chena unya be 5,000 kra and
over 500
kra
500 kra unya nipa na also okay and then nipa no adults yentwa ye ho enkoje nkwato ye ba is still journey ya kwaji enkwato aba oguso a ehwedi Jenny ewo Adom TV so and me guess Mr. Twumasi and ye ne twetwe nkomo ewo dwumade so papa pacho me pesa won fa yemfa your journey of life den kra na obeye sini abrabone started saying ya tete se na wo abrochiri na wo ba Ghana obi so ye costumier obi so ye say ene de kanna obia hu Mr. Twumasi ade a o yansa or Baba Gidi as an actor.
Wild stories. What people are saying is never true.
Wow.
I started my journey, from stage.
Okay.
At the cultural center here, Kumawood.
Theater.
But probably the interest, generated from school.
Okay.
I was doing school drama.
Okay.
And by God's grace, I can't say me bomb home more than I'm Tanya, the new roles, and I'm managing home because when you play a leading role, you become a star in the school. And therefore, you enjoy some privileges in your day. And I'm managing home. And after school, now to go to school, I wanted to go to NAFTI because that time I thought, say, NAFTI would train actors, but not knowing, say, it was meant for technical people near there. Into my stranded kakra. Into me who say BB group is our work culture center that I could learn from.
But it's not a name for anything.
Chematin Playhouse.
Chematin Playhouse.
But now you watch Chematin Playhouse, and they were not players.
Okay.
Nina no me join Navy. And then later on, it's in Sembiti me start my own drama group because by then now I have enough experience. I mean, if I'm a started baby.
Okay.
And that is where it all started.
Okay.
We were still at a rehearsal one day, and I'm Mr. Nyamche by
Miracle Films.
Say at least we're used to Nigerians, or used to people from Accra because that time the movies in English. You know, sometimes if we say any work must an intimate camera phone, until for Nigerians in Accra people. I'll buy it now, but whom say raise down, no say I say near.
Yeah.
I can use it until the mobile fra Accra, Nigeria.
Okay.
By then, Nami Ankasakra made the VHS. I shooted something.
Oh, okay.
That was my first movie.
You didn't start from Miracle?
No.
Okay.
Mama started BB that.
Okay.
But Saturday is Kasem. Maybe a cranan to come out and was a problem. A chair with them grandson ever, but. At least it started me here. And that is where the genesis of
everything.
Until now, Mr. Nyamche who sent him the why don't you join me so that we can do something together? And with that, I think we made an impact, not only in Kumasi but in the whole of Ghana.
Na Kumawood yeti say ye nipa ba company. And as I say, I bet here to say, Ubi Kumawood. But not to say, movie industry, no Kumasi for any modia. Some dark kusina, Enyana Nisu, I didn't know the tone I was Kumawood na Babe Kaho. It's so more canisa. Ayana mo feelings and now, Mobetimi so, I will say be a Dachibi. Some betimia sorry about Babe and more Bianca Kumawood be an idea.
I think it's yes and no. Oh, it happened. Said not some Ebe Awards.
Yeah.
And yes, obey no indigenous content and obey our dome. And I say, Bepedi. And now I was an Ankasay, Akobang
yes.
And I say, it's a festival because we want to involve Northern, Volta, and other people who are doing movies, but we don't hear of them. Now, we project them all together. They say, Befa Bibi now. And my thing said, at that time, no, it was me, SH0CKING, Samina, and Kasa, the three of us, in my office at the cultural center. It's a honor. A deliberately and a dean, Kumawood, but the concept in the cry, my Kumawood was initially, we said the history had it that Konfanochi had 2 trees. Okay. One here in Kumasi and one in Kumawood. And almost Kumawood and Wuye. And I Kumasi the Nitias until a Hoya Kumawood, na higher Kumasi. Okay. And Tikumno is something significant for the history of Konfanochi. The people here. Okay. And they say, okay, and why don't we adapt that name? The Mofa Wood is also. Name for wood. Wood, you know, Kumawood. Because wood, okay. And so, yeah, okay. Hanty Kumbiano. And other than say Kumawood, a best say international, Kakra. Okay. And so we deliberate on it and we all agree to say, I think it's a name that we could use. Okay. And that is what brought about the Kumawood. But the thing is, since it was Sami who was doing the program now, or no register, okay, or register that you say more or less, or no be the owner of the owner of it. Okay, so now you have to say Gollywood, and a Hollywood, and a Nollywood, and a more far so, but more than year for a mamre, and a besi so na a disa a dino a buy. And I hit it. And I hit it. I hit a swamp, you try a hawk or jink car to your buy ever to us. Yakojin Kwarto Aba Uguswa Ehedi Jenny Ewadum TV Suname Kayo say this season ye wo Kumasi enti ye nimpenyi for etwetwe nkomo ha enemy guest Mr. Twumasi oye actor executive producer niema bebre na oye ne etwetwe nkomo esua de ewa ha say daddy ansa na obeko youth a obo ho wo fi opese oba be executive producer opese oye director opese oye crew opese dodo na they want to be famous enti Enua ne so advice ben and adibema youth out there. So we a young person, opeso be actor or an actress. Yeah, na ebinum free say, excuse me in saying this, but ebinum free say by sleeping with the people who are already in the industry, no, to give them easy entrance to it. But that is not the case. Where's our Kumo? Because so the home director be known with that. No other way, no. Next time, no cosetta on Pesa or Bebeho. Then the new girl, new victim, or one. What be a problem, a man. Until Obey make sure say you don't even come on the set. And see, in the first place, it's a mistake. The thing say by sleeping with somebody, you can make it. Yeah, there was Sipa Sawaba. Answer now because the Jenny for CF flower in mouth. A shred or door. Na ensure say your door pa na fe ya bread china ye chin that you answer your picture. Facebook. And a year Kwaku ya cha ye nyabi. I'm not a yeah, I'm 7 first in cramming shed uncle. Wow, shiny yes, get one is yenya. Yet there was a sewa bananza and a baby Jumadi watch it we back meana. Aha, Pacho, that's it. Not ye beam the woman be a nature. Ya kind of fair. Okay. So which year did Ghana had independence? 1957. So wabi ana wabi 1957. Yeah, that was a so by. When you say what of you was here, then never hunya bebre after Mr. Twumasi when the industry as whole and penny force to a mutie ya mobeti me abuana industry no apeke. Yes, remo. So we industry now kwasha and mani nya bottom. Mesro unya kwashawa na wabua na bibia ewo se ekoso no etimi akoso na industry no ayeyi industry ni still edaso ewo ho ba niema kakra bi na yehia ebema no ayeyi ti asramo momra to our aid na mon helping na creative arts or just omokra no mo employ a lot of people aha ena breba me yedi djumadi SC and me guest Mr. Twumasi or actor and executive producer and any share with the Jenny season 6 so aye twetwe nkomo Ewadum TV me kono me fa seda ma sponsors or masoma na watching medujumadi ebro all the way from Kumasi a time herbal mixture or say malaria de wedro anytime afi give us clean care for lip tomato paste and a green field
scientific herbal clinic omudi soja capsules aba and also masina mdi jumadi ebro afesi ebeda na be mase se wama ye kai na ye de jumadi ewo Kumasi me amidi jumadi emidi e de Abena Ghana bonga ha for this year that's ne yenhia ewo de journey so asemba akuna de bia me ka cho mesinya me wo ma ebe yi papa